Hi children, good morning all of you. In previous class we will discuss about divisions. Once again, repeat the divisions. Once again, division 229 divided by 7. See ma, 229 divided by 7. See 7 table, how many times multiply in 22? 7 table, how many times multiply in 22? We will take near value. Above value not taken. We will take near value. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21. 2 subtract 1. 1. 2 subtract 2, 0. Don't write, no problem. Right or not? No problem. Another value 9. 19. 7 table. How many times multiply 19? 7 1 is 7 7 2 is 14. 7 3 is 21. 21 is the above value. 19 above value. Not taken that value. We will take near value. 7 2 is 14. 14 is the near value in 19. 9 subtract 4 equal to 5. 5 is the remainder. 5 is the remainder. Next, 32 is the quotient. 32 is the quotient. Okay, 7 is the divisor. 7 is the divisor. 229 is the dividend. 229 is the dividend. Okay, see ma, this is the division process. Multiple value divisor, given value dividend, answer quotient, remaining remainder. Okay, today we will start exercise 4.1. We will start exercise 4.1. See, 856 divided by 1. 856 divided by 1. Any value divided by 1 coming answer? Any value divided by 1 coming answer is same value. See 1, 856, 0. Which one is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. Any value divided by 1 coming answer same value, 856. Next second one, 71 divided by 71. 71 divided by 71. 1, 71, 0. Which one is the correct answer? Any two same values divided by any two values division coming answer 1. Coming answer 1. 71 1 is 71. Now the answer is 1. Next, 0 divided by 35. 0, 35, 1. Any value divided by 0 coming answer 0. Any value divided by 0 coming answer 0. See, 856 divided by 1. Any value divided by 1 equal to coming answer same answer. Any value divided by 1 coming answer same answer. Any two values, any two same values divided by coming answer 1. Any two digits divide coming answer 1. Any value divided by 0, any value divided by 0 coming answer 0. Any coming answer, any given value divided by 0 coming answer 0. Next, the multiplication fact for the division sum 132 divided by 11 is C. Convert multiplication. Convert multiplication. See the given value 12 divided by equal to after convert into divided by convert into 11 equal to 132. The divisible value convert multiplication. The divisible value convert multiplications. 132 divided by 11 equal to 12. Convert multiplication. The given value, right? 12 divided by equal to after convert into next value 11. 12 11 ja 132. Next 12 into 12 equal to 144. 12 into 12 equal to 144. The given multiplication value convert division value. The given multiplication value convert division value. See, we will take 144 into equal to after convert division into equal to after convert division. We will take first value 12. 144 divided by 12 equal to coming answer 12. Okay. 12 into 12 equal to 144. The given value 144 into equal to after convert division into 12 equal to 12. 320 divided by 10. 320 divided by 10. 10. 32 ja 320. See, 31, 32, 30. Coming answer B, 32. See, 320 into 10. 10 3 ja 30. 2 0. 10 2 ja 20. 10 32 ja 320. The answer is 332. Next, 880 divided by 10. 880 divided by 10. 88, 80, 8. Which one is the correct answer? 10 8 80. 10 8 80. Answer is 88. A1 is the correct answer. Next, dash divided by 8 equal to 31. 248, 241, 241. Which one is the correct answer? 8. 8 3 ja see 31 into 8. 8 1 ja 8. 8 3 ja 24. 248 is the correct answer. 8 is the correct answer. Once again listen ma. 132 divided by 11. The divisible value convert multiplication. Divisible value convert multiplication. We will take given answer. First we will write 12 divided by convert into 11. 132. Next 12 into 12 equal to 144. In multiply value convert division. Multiply value convert division. See 144 into equal to after convert divided by 144 divided by 12 equal to 12. 320 divided by 10. 10 32 ja 320. 80 80 divided by 10. 10 88 ja 880. Next divided dash divided by 8. See these two values multiply coming answer divisible value. See 31 8 ja 8 1 ja 8 3 ja 24. 248. So 248 is the correct answer. Is it clear, ma'am? Okay, today class completed. Thank you.